Hello and welcome to Heaven's Mopars. Today is August 5th and here I just mixed up some paint, so it's time to get moving. I am going to paint the roll bar and inside the window jambs white today. And then after I'm done with that, I will mask the roll bar. And then I will, and I'm also painting the firewall white as well. Yahoo! Say it's time for you to go, buddy. I don't want you breathing these fumes, okay? Well, that was a pain in the butt. Not because of what it was or what I had to do, but the fact that my air compressor is a 20-gallon Harbor Freight thing. I'm sorry, 21-gallon. Yeah, 21-gallon. And I had no air pressure this whole time. I was using the Harbor Freight guns. I was using the little detail gun, and then after I did 90% of the car with this, then I switched to that. then I could actually paint. This was a joke. It was spitting just paint kind of and I was like, oh my gosh. So, but I did the whole stinking thing with that little detail sprayer. But then when I got the big one out, when I broke out the big gun for this, then it painted like a normal car. I was like, finally. So, but what happened was I was trying to build up with that little gun, going over it like 50 times. And because I no air pressure and whatever, it just wouldn't spit it out no matter how I had things adjusted. But what happened was I had, I don't know how many runs. I think my hose hit that. But I had runs on the back side. I get down there, runs over there, up there, all over here on the bottom of there. And I was like, oh my gosh, I know I'm better than this. But it was the gun's fault. And then I goofed over here when I got the big gun. I've only sprayed one car. And so I got a run here and a run here. And I got a booger there. That makes me mad. Right as I was finishing up the last spray using the gun, and I was focusing on this instead of my cup. My cup hit right there, and I was like, the last spray, and I was like, oh, you kidding me? But anyway, I piled up my paint in the corners, doing back and forth, and then, so I got to be careful of corners in the future, mental note. But, so anyway, it's, I mean, it looks nice, but there's just runs everywhere. But like I said, it's a race car. It's not like it's a show car by any means. So it'll still look nice and respectable.